Good afternoon and welcome to my channel, Logan Speed Shop. Today we're having a look at another customer car. We have got this black R34 GT Plus T here. So this is a nice car, full impel body kit. Let's have a quick look around. Here we go. She's hiding away in the garage because she's a little bit damp at the moment. I really want to knock this car out over a couple of days. So today is Friday, it got dropped off last night. I want to have this car ready to be picked up probably Sunday. What it's here for though is a little bit of work. So the biggest one is I got a Haltech inside, Haltech Elite 750, and it's getting a full custom loom. So all this wiring is ripped out. He's basically done a conversion to suit the turbo intake and the like, so we've got to pull all of his work out basically. He's done a good job, but I'm going to do a much better job. Make it nice, safe and reliable for him. Plus we've got a couple of other little things to do, like fit an exhaust, have to adapt it so it fits, and a couple of little other wiring little touch-ups. But that is easy. So I'll show you this now, and then at the end you'll be able to see the final product. Just going to do a couple of quick little videos, showing off customer work, showing what I'm doing, and just showing people's pride and joys. It's now Sunday, and she's all done. I'll check a quick photo up on the screen of the loom before it went on the engine. But yeah, as you can see, you can't really see much. Coil pack loom just laying nice to the side, TPS tucking off to the side, air temp sensor popping up over the top, mainly because it wasn't anywhere nice. I didn't want to put it down the bottom so you could put his valley cover on there. A few wires hiding at the front here. But yeah, this got the complete Elite 750. You can see a little bit of the loom hiding down there. And we deleted his airflow meter, a little bit of stock wiring left because of the ABS, but overall this job came out really nice. It's like it's not in there, which is I guess the key. Kick panel's back on, got the fuse box just hiding down there, which has got the fuse and relays for the ECU, coil packs, injectors and even a fuel pump, which is bloody nice I reckon. Makes it simple, makes it easy, and it's just trouble free. Even got a wideband sensor down the back. Not a hell of a lot to show off on this one, but just a nice clean simple setup, just showing you a basic one. So an Elite 750 into a 34. This got dropped off Thursday, it's now Sunday, so for your 3-day turnaround. I do these starting from about 2.8 depending on the job. Let's see how we start. I've actually got to go down the road now and just dial in a bit of a base mat, make sure it's safe for him. That's probably the third or the fourth start, and the first start was just as good. Actually even fitted up an exhaust, modified a little bit. She's on there, Kakimoto, simple as. Should be a nice beautiful setup for him, ready for the dyno.